Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I'm going to add courtesy lights to my doors on my car. So you could do this with any car because these are pretty generic courtesy lights you could add on. They're battery powered and stuff, and they're very, very bright. And they basically are meant for projectors. They project these wireless courtesy door lights. They come in different styles. Like this one's meant for the Corvette, and it projects a really nice emblem of the Corvette and or any other, basically brand, I guess. But to be honest, I really didn't need the projector brand. And I really wanted more light when I get in and outside of my car. So I got these so I can stick it onto my car door. So because it's winter time right now, it's very easy to just take a look at what I dropped if I actually left my car. It does come with the two lights. It has two magnets, as well as a lot of this adhesive that has a little bit of a cut on the insides. You could also exchange the projector film or whatever slide that is to something different. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and it's pretty straightforward and simple. So batteries and stuff, it's pretty inexpensive now. So you have to take off the center part of that adhesive so you could plug it into the magnet. You also want to center up the adhesive on the back of this projector light, and basically all you do is just glue it to the side of your door. And I have 4 of these, so I glued all 4 of my doors. So when I take things in and out of my car, if I drop something, it'll turn on right after I open the door. There's also a button on top to turn on or off to turn off the light if you left it on, or if it doesn't turn off. So the magnet just basically attaches onto the floor of the baseboard or paneling. I just use a bit of plastic dip and just sprayed it so that it's black, so you don't see it. So it's rubberized just like the other parts of the car. So you really don't see it. It does hang out a little. If you could see since the newer cars have a lot of don't have very, very flat surfaces, you might have a little bit of overhang. But overall, once you open the door, it turns on and you can see the floor very, very brightly. So pretty awesome, pretty cool. Anyways, guys, this is pretty cool. I'm SterlingW. I hope you find this review useful.